corner store on the corner of Albany and Cortland in Logan Square. Oh, bless the corner store on the corner of Albany and Cortland. Even though you can't find a lottery ticket or a bottle of cold white wine there, you can get there from the door in less than 2 minutes and 35 seconds time. And you can count on finding a cold can of LaCroix, Coke, and a bag of Cool Ranch Doritos, all cheesy, all ranchy, all mine. All mine. Bless the corner store and bless George Speck and his creation in Saratoga Springs way back in the day. And the blessing of the potato chip, all salty and full of swing. I love the waffle kind, sea salted and perfect. Especially when driving home from school and you need something to negate all those kicks in the rear throughout the entirety of the day. Sorry. Oh, bless the minimal vegetables next to the cheese and milk, resting on a paper towel. Oh, avocado, bless you. Oh, 3 pink tomatoes, bless you. Oh, green apples, not my favorite kind, bless you. Oh, few corn husks wrapped in their silks, bless you. Oh, bless the condoms. Oh, just be grateful for the 2. Bless the combs, the Playtex tampons, school supplies, and glue. Bless the white undershirts, the socks and underwear. Bless the corner store for the brown earmuffs hanging for $4.99 next to the bundle of black rubber bands. And bless the corner store for the last-minute tortillas, canned olives, and limes. Bless the corner store run by Muhammad and his family line. Bless Muhammad, he owns the building and he will be fine. Bless his family for their love and abundance each day. Oh, corner store, on the corner of Cortland and Albany, tucked inside apartments, providing essential daily consumables for our fundamental needs. Oh, how you save us each and every day, especially during the witching hour, when the kids are all lacking gratitude and grace, calling me a shit mom, love and kindness. When the kids need something salty like the ocean air, 2,200 miles away, giving us open breath and thanks. We will eat salty potato chips instead. Our common prayer, our daily beatitudes that we forget to sing each morning in the summer because we went to bed at midnight and have decided to sleep in until 10. Oh, bless sleeping in until 10. Oh, bless the corner store in Logan Square. Oh, bless Logan Square. Oh, bless the things that help to make difficult days more fluid, like a cool can of seltzer from the corner store of Albany and Cortland, all full of bubbles, all full of air. Thank you.